came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
समाजवादी पार्टी स्मैशिंग पेट्रियार्की। आनंद रंगनाथन लड़के हैं, लड़कों से गलती हो जाती है। दे आर स्मैशिंग पेट्रियार्की, गिविंग अस लेसन्स ऑन हाउ टू स्मैश पेट्रियार्की। आनंद रंगनाथन।
Good evening, Navika. I want to come back to the topic. Even though Manusmriti and portions of it have been admired by Nishe, Gandhi, Nehru, with Nehru calling Manu as one of the heroes of India, and this country does not run by Manusmriti, I'm not going to mince my words straight up. If there are any shlokas or verses of Manusmriti that are offending, misogynistic, patriarchal, I condemn them as a civilizational Hindu, unequivocally. I'm not going to run around the excuses of context or interpretation. I'm intelligent enough to see and interpret what is in front of me. But when Rahul Gandhi talks of patriarchy and bigotry and misogyny using verses from Manusmriti as examples, I want to ask, are these also verses from Manusmriti? Quote, your women are your tilling fields, so go into your fields whichever way you like. 2:23. Men are in charge of women by right of what Allah has given them one over another. Those wives from whom you fear arrogance, first advise them. Then if they persist, forsake them in bed, and finally strike them. 4:34. The unmarried woman found guilty of sexual intercourse, don't pity her. Lash her with 100 lashes and let a group of believers witness the punishment. 24:12. The share of the male shall be twice that of the female. 4:11. Or if you're tired of me quoting just one of Rahul Gandhi's favorite books, here's another quote. I do not permit a woman to teach or to have authority over a man. She must be silent. 1 Timothy 2:12, the Holy Bible. Wives, submit yourselves unto your husbands. Husband is the head of wife like Christ is the head of church. Ephesians 5:20-24 Bible. A man wasn't created for the woman. The woman was created for the man. Corinthians 11:8-9, the Holy Bible. Would Rahul Gandhi dare to mention these verses when talking of women's emancipation or patriarchy? Or is it that चार नींबू निचोड़ने से दूध भी इतना नहीं फटता? I won't complete it. 10 seconds, Navika. Udaynithi Stalin, as you know, uttered a shockingly anti-Hindu, anti-Hinduism statement. If a BJP minister had said what Stalin did about another religion, there'll be a civil war by now. But Hindus are easy to abuse. They don't behead transgressors. And finally, 10 seconds. Talking of misogyny, was it not Rahul Gandhi himself who said Modi was a coward in sending a woman, Nirmala, to answer his questions in parliament? पहले अपने गिरेबान में तो झांक के देख लो बरखुरदार.
Absolutely, and I just want to say one thing, Vivek Srivastava. The issue is, do you want to pick up ancient texts, the context, the time when they were written? Then you should probably go back to the Vedas. That's where it all began. The Vedas don't say all of this. Why is Manusmriti such a favorite text? The only question I want to ask tonight is that if Manusmriti is where you want to start the debate from, then please don't single out one religion. Look at critically all religious texts and remove, because times have changed. What may have been applicable centuries ago may not be applicable today, number one. And then number two, and the most important thing, please practice what you preach. Mr. Rahul Gandhi should know that in this government there have been incentives that have been given to women. And women are not only those who live in urban areas, there are women even in the rural areas who don't even know what their rights are. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is in the name of women, sir. Is that not smashing patriarchy? Or the Ujjwala Yojana, is that not smashing patriarchy? Or the fact that, loans for women to have property and assets in their own name, that is actually smashing patriarchy, because women then become owners of assets and cannot be tossed around like they were in the past. Mr. Vivek Srivastava, everybody should strive to add to this list, not contest it.
Okay, so firstly, I'm very happy that everybody over here is denouncing the parts of Manusmriti which are objectionable. I hope the RSS gives a formal statement that yes, Manusmriti is not the role model they want the nation to be on.
The RSS has given a formal statement many times, only you don't believe in it. They have said the country runs by the constitution, not by the Manusmriti. So, आपको याद नहीं रहता है, उन्हें याद है।
जिस हिंदू राष्ट्र की स्थापना ये करना चाहते हैं, उसका बेस ये मनुस्मृति बनाना चाहते हैं, हजारों लेख इनके
कौन बनाना चाहता है मेरे भाई?
हाँ।
मनुस्मृति के दिन लद गए। आप जेनजी के हीरो हैं, आप जेनजी को वो बताइए जो उनके समझ में आए।
जेनजी को समझ में आ चुका है। जेनजी किसके साथ होना चाहिए हो चुका। ये धर्मगुरुओं द्वारा समर्थित सरकार, आपको लगता है हिम्मत है मेरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर में या आरएसएस में या सिद्धार्थ यादव में आप बैठ करके बोलने की आई डिनाउंस मनुस्मृति? बोलो भाई, बोलोगे आई डिनाउंस मनुस्मृति?
Well, Nehru didn't say it. Mahatma Gandhi didn't say it. Why are you challenging the Prime Minister?
आ जाइए, अब आप बीच में बचाव में आ जाइए, ये बोलना ना पड़े, कवर फायर दे दीजिए इनको। आज सिद्धार्थ यादव बोलेंगे मनुस्मृति को मैं डिनाउंस करता हूं, उसमें ऐसी चीजें हैं जो महिलाओं के विरोध में, बोलेंगे आप?
नहीं, आप दूसरे रिलीजन्स के बारे में बोल दीजिए, मैं बुलवा देती हूँ अभी मनुस्मृति के बारे में सिद्धार्थ यादव से। आप थोड़े पहले इक्वल हो जाइए ना।
भाई हम तो सारे सिविलाइजेशनल हिंदू है ना, इन द वर्ड्स ऑफ डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन। तो अपनी बात करो ना, अपने को सुधारने के बजाय दूसरे के घर में क्यों बात कर रहे हो? अगर कुछ ऑब्जेक्शन बोला तो बोलो। राहुल गांधी ने बोला।
Yeah, please do not please fade him out, because like his career, I don't want to be interrupted. When he is talking of misogyny and patriarchy, he dare not quote other scriptures, क्योंकि चार नींबू वाला यहाँ पे लॉ अप्लाई करता है। लेकिन मार्क्स को तो कोट कर दो। मार्क्स ने क्या कहा था? The quality he admires in men are bravery, quality he admires in women are weakness. पढ़ा है मार्क्स के, वो भी पढ़ा हूं क्या उसमें?
You don't even know ABC of Marx.
अच्छा, I don't know about Marx. You
डायलेक्टिक मटेरियलिज्म पढ़ के आओ, पहले डायलेक्टिक मटेरियलिज्म पढ़ के आओ, फिर मर्द औरत का फर्क समझ आएगा, फिर समझ आएगा आपको। भौतिक तंत्रवाद पढ़ो पहले। हाँ, पहले भौतिक तंत्रवाद पढ़िए। आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट एक सेंटेंस लेकर के बोल रहे हैं, और सारा जेंजी महिलाएं, इस देश की महिलाएं, सुन लीजिए, देश की महिलाएं राहुल गांधी के साथ हैं। आपको जितना हल्ला मचाना है मचाइए।
मनुस्मृति, आपने मनुस्मृति इतनी बार पढ़ी है, बाकी भी टेक्स्ट पढ़ लीजिए, वहां भी कुछ मिल जाएगा। आनंद,
थैंक यू सो मच। अब ये आपने, आई थिंक एवरीवन मिस्ड व्हाट ही सेड, द गोल्डन वर्ड्स ऑफ कम्युनिस्ट विवेक श्रीवास्तव। कुरान कैन बी कोटेड आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट, बाइबल कैन बी कोटेड आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट, Das Kapital by Marx can be quoted out of context, but Manusmriti cannot be quoted out of context. Manusmriti, भाई अभी आप क्या कह रहे हो?
Economics theory. This is Das Kapital को right now I challenge you.
This is the exact quote of Marx.
Dialectic materialism.
The weakness of women.
I'll have a debate with you on dialectic materialism right now.
I don't want to have any debate with you because you know even less than Jon Snow. And he knew nothing.
कहने से कुछ नहीं होता है।
कहने से क्या होता है? अभी आपको बोला मैंने।